Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your company page branding using LinkedIn brand guidelines, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your company page by selecting it from the list of pages you manage. Familiarize yourself with LinkedIn's brand guidelines, which can be found on their official website. Identify the key elements of your company branding that need restoration, such as your logo, banner image, and description. Open a graphic design tool or software to create or edit your logo and banner image if needed. Ensure your logo adheres to LinkedIn specifications, typically a 300 by 300 pixel size in PNG or JPG format. Customize your banner image to reflect your brand's identity, using the recommended size of 1584 by 396 pixels. Go back to your company page and click on the Edit button found on the top right corner of the page. Start by updating your logo. Click on the logo section and upload the new image from your device. Next, update the banner image by clicking on the banner area and selecting your prepared design. Review your company description to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and messaging. If necessary, edit the description for clarity and consistency with your brand values. After making edits to the description, consider adding relevant keywords to improve searchability. Save your changes after updating both images and the description. Preview your company page to verify that all branding elements are correctly displayed. Take a moment to ensure that your branding is consistent across all parts of your LinkedIn profile. Once you're satisfied, exit the editing mode and return to your company page. Regularly revisit your branding to ensure it remains aligned with your company's evolving identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.